Hello everyone, welcome back to the AAS YouTube channel. A lot of the content that we show on this channel is peer-reviewed journal articles, where we walk through the article with the author, and all of those have been through a peer review process. And so if you are interested in learning how to be a better referee, and by extension how to be a better author, or at least how to reply better to referee reports, then I encourage you to attend the upcoming peer review workshop held June 9th, 2024 at the AAS 244 meeting in Madison, Wisconsin. And so what do we cover in these workshops? These workshops are not static by any manner of means, but you do have to be there in person. These are in-person workshops, and they focus on various aspects of the peer review process. And you will be there with the scientific editors of the journals, and you will be doing hands-on labs as you go on through the workshop. The workshops are about 4 hours in duration, typically from about 8 to 12. You do get a graduation certificate when you graduate. And I will say it doesn't really matter whether you've never done a peer review before, a referee report before, or whether you've done it 50 times. There is something to learn for everyone in these workshops. Everybody comes away with something. Okay. So we've run these before. We ran the first one in AAS 242, that's there in the upper left. And then at the winter meeting, 243, we had a larger contingent going through, and you can see they are all proudly showing their graduation certificates. So we're going to be doing one in 243. We'll put a link in the description below the video. You can also look at the AAS communications, and I encourage you to sign up, apply for the peer review workshop on June 9th, 2024. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.